Hello guys, this is My Storypedia. Welcome to another video. Today I'll discuss in this video what is cryptocurrency. I will know previous video what is insurance, life of insurance, term of insurance, and many other etc. And kind of insurance and definition of insurance, benefit of insurance. But I will discuss in this video what is cryptocurrency. At first, I will know what is cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto are revolutionizing how we invest, bank, and use money. Read this beginner guide to learn more. At its core, cryptocurrency is typical decentralized digital money and designed to be used over the internet. Bitcoin, which launched in 2008, was the first cryptocurrency, and it remained by far the biggest, most influential, and best known in the desired sense. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum have grown as digital alternatives to money issued by government. The most popular cryptocurrency by market capitalization are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Other well-known cryptocurrency include Tezos, EOS, and Zcash. Some are similar to Bitcoin. Others are based on different technologies or have new features that allow them to do more than transfer value. Crypto makes it possible to transfer value online without the need for a middle, middleman like a bank or payment process, allowing value to transfer globally near instantly 24 by 7 for low fees. Cryptocurrency are usually not issued or controlled by any government or other central authority. They are managed by peer-to-peer network of computer running free open source software. Generally, anyone who wants to participate is able to. If a bank or government is not involved, how is crypto source? It is secure because all transactions are vetted by a technology called a blockchain. A cryptocurrency blockchain is similar to a bank's balance sheet or ledgers. Each currency has its non-blockchain, which is an one ongoing, constantly are verified record of every signal transaction ever made using that currency. Unlike a bank's ledger, a crypto blockchain is distributed across participants of the digital currency internetwork. No company, no company, country, or third party is in control of it, and anyone can participate. A blockchain is a breakthrough technology only recently made possible through the side of computer science and mathematical innovation. Most importantly, cryptocurrencies allow individuals to take complete control over their assets. The concept transferability crypto makes transaction with people one the one another side on the plan as same as paying with cash at your local grocery store. Privacy. When paying with cryptocurrency, you don't need to provide necessary personal information to the merchant, which means your financial information is protected from being shared with third parties like bank, payment service, advertise and credit rating against, and because no sensitive information needs to be sent over the internet, there is very little risk of your financial information being compromised or your identity being stolen. Security. Almost all cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Trezors and Bitcoin Cash are secured using technology called a blockchain, which is constantly checked and verified by a huge amount of computer power. Portability, because your cryptocurrency holdings are not tied to a financial institution or government. They are available to you no matter where you are in the world or what happens to any of the global financing system major intermediaries. Transparency. Every transaction of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash network is published publicly without expansion. This means there is no room for manipulation or transaction. Choosing the money supply or adjusting the rules might games. Irreversibly, unlike a credit card payment and cryptocurrency payment cannot be reversed. For merchants, this highly reduces the likelihood if of being deferred for customer. It has the potential to make commerce cheaper by eliminating of the major agreement credit card companies make for their high processing fees. The network powering Bitcoin has never been hacked, and the fundamental ideas behind cryptocurrency help me them safe. The system are the system are permissionals, and the core software is one source. Main context computer scientists and cryptographers have been able to examine or accept two of the network and their security. Why is cryptocurrency the future of financing? Cryptocurrency is the first alternative to the traditional bank system and have a powerful advance over previous payment method are an additional class of assets. Think of them as money 2.0, a new kind of cash that is native to the internet, which give it the potential to be the fastest, assist, chipset, and safest and most universal way to exchange value that the world has ever seen. Cryptocurrency can be used to buy goods or service or held as part of an investment strategy, but they cannot be manipulated by any central authority simply because there is not one. No matter what happens to a government, your cryptocurrency will remain secure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe our video.